Self-operated fan. Welcome to the show. Before we continue, try and subscribe. Okay, let's continue. Now, this whole system does function in this manner. The alternating current comes from the socket. It passes through the converter, the AC-DC converter. Then the diode directs this current to the battery, passing through the non-polarized capacitor. Then the current from the battery passes through the on-off switch through the components. This current comes from the battery, then passes through the LDR, light dependent resistor, then through to the propeller. Another current, the positive side, passes through the diode, direct current to one direction, passing through the thermistor to the propeller. Now this is how it functions. When the sun lights, it reflects light to the mirror. Then the mirror reflects to the another mirror. The another mirror produces the light that helps the LDR to reduce the resistance. While when the temperature is very high, the thermistor reduces resistance, making the propeller to rotate more. And when the weather is very cold, it will automatically light your bulb. Thank you. Subscribe down there before. Thank you.